At 6 o'clock, we're now hearing from a local defense attorney about new information in the shooting death of a local teenager.
The attorney representing the man accused of killing 17-year-old Jordan Davis told us this afternoon in court that the SUV the teen was in left the scene of the shooting before police arrived. This revelation could have a big impact on how Michael Dunn's attorneys defend him on the first-degree murder charge. This is a video of him in court today. Channel 4's Scott Johnson talked with Dunn's former attorney about how this will impact the case. Scott's joining us now live. Scott?
Jen, this is something I've been told by insiders that this has been known about, but now it's been officially released in court. We will see in coming weeks during the discovery period of this trial how this new piece of information, the fact that this SUV left the crime scene and then came back, impacts this case. New developments brought out in the case of Michael Dunn. Defense lawyers for Dunn say the SUV where Jordan Davis was shot and killed drove away from the scene after the shooting and then returned. This is something that could change the case for Dunn, with speculation that the teens may have ditched a gun. I spoke to his former attorney, Mitch Stone, about this. He says this could help the new defense lawyers if they want to invoke self-defense or stand-your-ground laws.
Any fact would certainly have an impact on how the case ultimately resolves. The people that were in the vehicle that left for a reason, and I think that needs to be explored and investigated, especially under the circumstances where an allegation was made about threats toward Michael Dunn.
But the lawyer for Jordan Davis's family says the fact that the SUV left the scene changes nothing.
I don't think there's ever been a controversy that the children's vehicle left the scene because he was firing at them and sent 9 or 10 bullets while the vehicle was still moving at them. So, you know, I think if they hadn't left the scene, we'd have 4 young dead boys rather than 1.
Family members of Jordan Davis say they've received an overwhelming amount of support from the community and will be at this trial every step of the way, hoping to get justice for their son.
It's far from over, you know, because of the fact that the trial is going to be a long trial. We understand that, and we're going to be there every step of the way. So, you know, right now we have to focus on getting justice for our son Jordan.
And Ms. Stone, the former attorney, says he's surprised the prosecutors are pushing for a first-degree murder charge on Michael Dunn. He says it does not feel it meets the threshold for premeditated murder. He thinks second-degree murder charges would have been more appropriate. He's also saying that he's surprised the prosecutors are pushing for attempted murder charges for the other teens who were in the SUV that night. Downtown to the courthouse, Scott Johnson, Channel 4, the local station.
Right now,